y dominicanas, de Perú y Guatemala, Venezuela, Cuba y Ecuador, de Chile y paraguayas, uruguayas y colombianas, Mexico, Nicaragua.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the 16th of December, which means it's my birthday today, and I am so happy right now. I don't know why, but I'm so happy because I've been getting such beautiful wishes since the morning, and that's the best part of my birthday, and I would like to thank each one of you who wished me. And yeah, so the plans for today are that I would go for breakfast first. It's currently around 7:40 something, and then I'll go have breakfast, and then we'll decide what to do, because we don't generally decide it in the mornings, especially in Goa. Like, you can do anything, right? So we'll decide that afterwards. And you guys, I'm so in love with this view. Just look at it. Like, isn't this beautiful? So yeah, that's what the basic plans are, just to have breakfast right now. And then yeah, so I'll just go have a bath because my mom and dad have already had it. So I'll go have a bath, and then I'll get ready, and then I'll meet you guys. So there was a little change of plans. I didn't really take a bath. I just ran off to have breakfast because I was starving as usual. So yeah, now we are here at the restaurant of our hotel, and now you guys are gonna see a lot of footage of me eating, so please don't get bored because I am totally obsessed with it. Okay, so I'll give you guys a breakfast tour. So here we have a mango yogurt, curd rice, plain curd, some watermelon, some honey, hot milk and cold milk, some cornflakes. Then here these are banana cakes. That's a strawberry cake. Then some blueberry muffins, English muffins, and dark chocolate donuts. And I'll show you guys the rest of the desserts in a while. We have some South Indian food, medu vada, sambar chutneys, and then upma, dal kachori, okay, aloo paratha, and then some these things, I don't know, and I don't have the patience to go there. Like, and then here, this is actually the carrot cake, and then that's the walnut danish. So yeah, that's what we have for breakfast. I think there's quite a lot more right there. So yeah, and then here we have this bread machine for bread. So I'll take some food and then I'll meet you guys. Right, so we have another section here. We have this, I don't know what this is called, but it looks like some lemon and mint. So, and then buttermilk, and then healthy ajwain water, and these two are something. They look like guava, but I tasted it from my dad. It was not actually guava. So yeah, I think I'll get this one because it looks pretty. So yeah. Let's do a taste test of this. You guys, just plain water. So I took this coffee out from the machine. It was so interesting, but the taste, it's too strong and I cannot drink this. Just look at this. How strong it is. So, after having that horrible coffee, we decided to just walk around the resort. I was really excited to click some pictures in that outfit which I was wearing. So, like, I'm here making some poses, and my dad's clicking pictures. And now we are walking towards the swimming pool to just relax for some time. And yeah, the vibe was so peaceful. We all were just sitting with our legs in the pool and then just relaxing. So, yeah. Let's have a look at the outfit. Slippers, shorts, and my mom. And let's have a look at my dad's outfit. uh, Crocs, shorts, and t-shirt, and specs. Slippers, same as my mom. Shorts, top, some bracelets, and me. Woohoo! So I'm all ready, and now we will be going to click some pictures. This is my outfit. You already saw that, and my dad is clicking a picture of my mom, so I'm waiting. So we are currently at Anjuna beach and we will be exploring the market now. We had a plan to go to South Goa, but we thought not to because it's around like 1.5 hours to go there. So yeah, that's why we are here at Anjuna beach. It's really like close from my hotel, so that's good. And now we'll go and explore the market. So the very moment we parked the car, I came across this auntie who was braiding hair, and you guys, I got overhyped because I was planning to do this since so long. Like every time I go to Goa, I think okay, I'll do it next time, but now I thought no, I got to do this time. So me and my mom finally decided to braid. I just got two strands. Even my mom got two strands because it was her first time doing it. And you guys, it was so pretty. It looked so good. And then my dad got me an ice cream because you guys, it was hot. It was very hot there. And then now we are just walking through the market, and you guys, we literally didn't buy a single thing throughout the whole trip. Like we didn't shop a single thing. We just, we were just walking around, and like this would be a first trip where we didn't get anything. And now we were on the beach. The beach was clean. Like there was no, I mean, compared to the crowd which is there in North Goa, it was way less than what it was in usual. So Yeah, I enjoyed a lot because beach, when there are a lot of people, it does not really look good. So, yeah, we enjoyed a bit in the water, and yeah, I am just here playing randomly because I love water. I'm obsessed with water, and I haven't been to beaches since long, like since a year, because I went to Goa last year. But yeah, and like I didn't even get a chance to go to the swimming pool, so it was a jackpot for me going to a beach. So I totally enjoyed at my best. And then we just came across this tiny place where it was there were small fishes and this kind of rocks. I don't know what rocks do you call it, but it was right there. And then we decided to click some pictures over there because why not? Trips are obviously for pictures, right? So then we went right here. It was such a beautiful cafe, you guys. It was so aesthetic. Like, just look at the color scheme they have used and all those tiny tiny things which I have kept there, and it was so pretty. So, as we were starving, we obviously had to eat something, right? So, we finally sat down and then decided to eat. And I was over obsessed with my braids till then as well. So, there we actually ordered some sizzlers. So, this is the seafood sizzler as far as I remember. And you guys, it was delicious. Like, I cannot explain the quality of food which we have got throughout the trip. It was amazing. Like, it was totally above everything, and especially when you're hungry you feel like all the things are tasty. So we ordered another sizzler. This is actually the chicken sizzler, and that was amazing as well. And after that we actually returned back to our hotel, and you guys, you can see from my face how tired I actually am. And then, like, after coming, we sat for a while, and then we were off for Panjim. We thought to explore Panjim a bit during night because the lights, it's obviously so good. And then we came back and I had some milk. And yeah, that was it for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe.